When you think of cities with the most expensive real estate sales, places like Hong Kong, New York and London come to mind. And historically speaking, those cities have dominated the sales statistics for luxury homes valued above $25 million. Just a few years ago, before COVID, London saw the highest number of luxury property sales in 2015, New York in 2016 and Hong Kong in 2017. No other city, including LA, Sydney and Singapore, came anywhere close to those sales numbers. Dubai in particular barely saw any property sales in the $25 million price category. However, this has changed. In 2022, for the first time, Dubai is ranking in 5th place behind Hong Kong with 26 home sales valued above $25 million. And when you include slightly more affordable properties valued above $10 million, Dubai is ranking in 4th place, almost tied with London. That was back in 2022. Since then, the rate at which high net worth individuals are investing in Dubai real estate has only increased. In the first quarter of 2023, Dubai has recorded more sales transactions for homes valued above $10 million than any other city in the world. With 88 home sales in the $10 million plus category, Dubai has comfortably eclipsed Hong Kong, New York and London as the #1 city globally for luxury home transactions. In this video, we will find out how Dubai has become the world's #1 luxury real estate market, look at some of the most expensive Dubai property sales, and discuss whether Dubai can remain at the top of sales statistics for the foreseeable future. How Dubai rose to the top of the global luxury real estate market. Dubai's real estate market is fairly novel. The city only allowed foreigners to acquire real estate in 2002. Similarly, the city's economy is tourism and trade-based and does not reach the economic clout of larger powerhouses such as New York or London. Dubai's stock market is tiny by global standards, and the city is not home to a single Fortune Global 500 company. Dubai also does not have access to a large domestic market. Just 10% of its population is local Emirati, and the entire country, the UAE, has a population of just around 10 million people. New York and London are the largest cities in some of the largest economies in the world. And Hong Kong is the most international city of Greater China. Due to these circumstances, Dubai's property market is sustained by other non-traditional pull factors. Primarily entrepreneurs relocating to the city for lower taxes, wealthy retirees from Europe and Asia, as well as affluent families looking for a vacation home in the Emirate. Dubai's unique position as the world's largest city without personal income taxes, multiple visa by investment programs, and excellent ease of doing business have drawn large numbers of wealthy immigrants. In fact, these globally unique pull factors have made Dubai the city with the world's highest net millionaire immigration rate, as we cover in detail in another video here on our YouTube channel. However, the question remains, why has Dubai's property market picked up only recently? There are multiple reasons. Dubai managed the COVID pandemic incredibly well. The city only had a 1-month lockdown and welcomed foreign visitors as early as summer 2020. As other cities and vacation hotspots remained locked down, Dubai was wide open. Tourists that would usually vacation in Europe or the US would travel to Dubai instead and discover the city and its incredible pandemic response. Some of those visitors would end up investing in Dubai, also because of the city's affordability. That brings us to the next point. Even after recent increases, Dubai's property prices remain relatively low compared to other global cities. For example, $1 million buys you 2,700 square foot of prime real estate in Dubai, but just 1,060 square foot in New York City. Investors and owner-occupiers looking to get more bang for their buck can do so in Dubai. Dubai's lower property prices, particularly before 2020, also made it less common to reach property valuations above 10 million or $25 million. Another major pull factor has been Dubai's 10-year Golden Visa program. While the Golden Visa was introduced in 2019, only recent changes made in 2021 allowed real estate investors to qualify. The minimum investment requirement of 2 million dirham not only led to increased demand for premium properties. Investors need to keep their investments in order to keep their visas, thus limiting future selling pressures. Another recent demand factor has been the Ukraine war and Western sanctions on Russian nationals. As Russians are unable to travel to or invest in Europe or the US, the UAE remains wide open. As a result, wealthy Russians have relocated their second homes and property investments to the UAE. Now let's look at some of the most expensive property sales in Dubai over the past year. The most expensive apartment ever sold in Dubai is a 9-bedroom penthouse in the Bulgari Lighthouse condominium tower. The tower will be constructed on newly reclaimed land that extends the existing Bulgari 5-star residences on Jumeirah Bay Island. Sold at 410 million dirham or $112 million, the penthouse has a size of almost 40,000 square foot, of which 13,000 square foot are balconies and terraces. The second most expensive Dubai apartment is a 5-bedroom penthouse in the Royal Atlantis on Palm Jumeirah. Sold for 163 million dirham or $44 million, the 25,000 square foot apartment features 360-degree views over the Palm in Dubai. Both these apartments are exemplary of Dubai's relatively low square foot prices for super prime real estate. In New York's Billionaire's Row, the most expensive apartment, located in Central Park Tower, costs a whopping $250 million and only provides 17,500 square foot of space. The big question is if Dubai will remain at the top of luxury home sales statistics. While the Golden Visa program remains a powerful attractor for investments, the effects of the COVID pandemic and the Ukraine war will likely taper off. Dubai has a considerably smaller population than New York, London, and other top real estate markets. As a result, just from a statistical standpoint, it is unlikely for the city to keep outselling other, much larger cities. Even if Dubai sees a decrease in luxury property sales by 2/3, it would still outsell New York when adjusted for the city's population size. Here at the Dubai Navigator, we assist you with relocating your tax residence and business to Dubai. Develop 100% independent, tax-optimized investment strategies for the property and stock markets, and draft safe multi-country estate plans. Check out our large number of YouTube videos on everything related to tax-optimized life and investments in Dubai. And visit us at thedubainavigator.com for an overview on how we may assist you in reducing your tax bill and increasing your investment returns. Here at the Dubai Navigator, we develop legal strategies that allow you to relocate your residence and business to the UAE, make tax-optimized investments in properties and stocks, and draft safe international estate plans to protect your global assets. Visit us on our website, thedubainavigator.com, and access a large range of free articles on tax and investment issues for Dubai and the UAE. Thank you for watching.